Tennessee until 7 p.m. time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Midland Forest State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I'm not gonna bother with that.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Shelby and Tipton. The current time is 6:18 p.m.
Outside, this is how hard it's raining. It is pouring rain. That's the full thing over there, so that's why it's not even loud. I think we're supposed to get some hail too. I haven't seen any of that yet.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
I can barely hear it.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Blytheville, Osceola, Truman, Marktree, Harrisburg, Lepanto, Caraway, Lixora, Tyrinda, Kaiser, Gaius, Dell, Burdett, Marie, Ashport, Little River, Itala, Victoria, Freeway, and Eastfield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Holy
Most
crap.
flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Again.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm.
Eastern Tipton County in western Tennessee, northwestern Fayette County in western Tennessee, southwestern Haywood County in western Tennessee, northeastern Shelby County in western Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. The thunderstorm was located over Arlington, or 10 miles east of Bartlett, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartlett, Lakeland, Arlington, Somerville, East, Warren, Atoka, Oakland, Mason, Galloway, Stanton, Braden, Asbury, Barrettville, Belmont, Redwood, Taylor Chapel, and Adaville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for western Tennessee. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Fayette, Haywood, Shelby, and Tipton. Central Standard Time tonight. The flood watch continues for East Arkansas, southeast Missouri, and west Tennessee, including the following areas: East Arkansas, Clay, Craighead, Green, Mississippi.
So on this one, I didn't have flash flood warning enabled, so I didn't hear the tones or the alarm going off for it.
Streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Blytheville, Martin, Union City, Carruthersville, Gosnell, Steele, South Fulton, Troy, Obion, Cooter, Dow, Cloverdale, Miston, Eloise, Latham, Trimble, Hornick, Reeves, Holland, and Lane. This includes the following streams and drainages: Powell Creek, Little Cypress Creek, South Branch Pawpaw Creek, Little Richland Creek, Atkins Creek, Cool Springs Branch, Troy Creek, Johnson Creek, Running Reelfoot Bale, Donahoe Branch, Vowel Branch, Rock Slough, Town Creek, Old Nub Creek, North Fork Obion River, King Creek, Jones Branch, Harris Fork Creek, Cypress Creek, Coon Creek, Blue Bank Bale, Deer Creek, Murray Creek, South Fork Obion River, Mississippi River, Wolf Creek, Davidson Creek, Stake Slough, Little River, Brown Creek, Richland Creek, Blackamore Creek, Jones Creek, Walnut Grove Branch, Mud Creek, Hicks Branch, Dry Creek, Trouble Creek, Campground Creek, Raccoon Creek, Mill Creek, Dillard Creek. Tornado watch number